Section 5. Utilizing Facebook advertising. To supercharge your Facebook digital marketing efforts, leverage the platform's advertising capabilities. Facebook Ads allows you to create highly targeted campaigns based on location, demographics, interests, and even behavior. Optimize your ads by using compelling visuals, clear calls to action, and persuasive ad copy. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance through Facebook's analytics to fine-tune and improve your results. Section 6. Engaging with your Facebook community. Engaging with your followers is crucial for building a loyal Facebook community. Respond to comments promptly, addressing any queries or concerns. Showcase your expertise by actively participating in groups related to your industry and sharing valuable insights. Additionally, utilize Facebook's live video feature to host Q&A sessions or live events, allowing your audience to connect with you in real time. Section 7. Harnessing the power of Facebook Insights. One of the most valuable tools for any digital marketer on Facebook is Insights. Facebook Insights provides in-depth analytics about your page's performance, engagement, and audience demographics. Regularly review these metrics to gauge which content resonates best with your audience, which times are optimal to post, and which demographic segments respond most favorably to your messaging. Conclusion. Congratulations, you are now equipped with the knowledge to excel in Facebook digital marketing. Remember, success on Facebook takes time and experimentation. So don't be afraid to adapt your strategies based on audience feedback and trends. Stay consistent, engage with your community, and always aim to provide value. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy marketing!